Hello and welcome to Bairstow's Basics Take 6. Now today we are going to be doing a breakfast sandwich. Now I've got bacon, sausages, so I'm going to do scrambled eggs, and then I've got a muffin that I've chopped in half, and then because everyone loves going for a Mackey's breakfast, especially on a Sunday morning at McDonald's, I've got some cheese to put on my muffin.
And that's the true dirty cheese that it needs to be as well. That's
correct.
Oh, I like that cheese. That's a good idea with the cheese there, Johnny. Okay, so I'm going for sausages, avocado, black pudding, raw mushrooms, spinach, egg, and then I'm going to make super crispy bacon and homemade brioche buns.
Sausages, but I've pre-cooked mine to speed up. Bacon, tomato. I've gone for a triple stack of the Warburton's breakfast bap, so I'm going to have a triple stacker. And the secret ingredient here is a tortilla, Spanish tortilla. Look at that.
I am not having it. And I forgot to say, I've also got a cup of Yorkie tea. I think the sausages are going to take a bit longer than the bacon, so I'm going to put them in first.
I like Johnny's move here because you split them open to speed up the cook. Top tip.
Crack an egg and then put that in a bowl because I'm making scrambled eggs. Then I'm going to add a little bit of milk to it. So skim milk, bit of salt and pepper, whisk all that together. In the pan, I've got my egg rings.
Oof, McDonald's masterclass.
Show you how to do my bacon. So on my bacon, plate, paper towel, and then just lay your bacon onto the paper towel. So the best bacon to use for this is streaky bacon. This bacon's almost been air dried. It's been in the fridge so long uncovered. You lay your bacon in one single layer.
Ultimate student tip coming up.
You top off another piece of paper towel, and then you stick it in the microwave.
What?
In the microwave?
In the microwave, 3 minutes, and then we might turn it over.
The butcher's in Headingley and got my beautiful bacon and the sausages. I can't wait for this. They're so thick.
Oh, thick sausages. You can't beat a thick sausage. I'm so interested in this student move from Jocky of pulling that microwave bacon out.
I've never ever thought of putting bacon into the microwave.
Also, it saves up on the washing up and making a mess of the grill.
I like making a mess. Starting my tortillas, pan frying, just to reheat them nicely and give them a little bit more crispy on the outside, so they go almost like a hash brown.
How did you make your tortillas?
It's literally just onion, potato, deep fry them, and then take them out and drain them, so then all the oil runs away. And then you just mix egg through it, and then you just put it into a pan, like basically let it cool down in the fridge. Then you spoon it into a pan, let it set, put another pan on top, flip it over, and then you've got your tortilla.
Sounds pretty hard. Just adding my, I'm adding my mix into the pan now for the scrambled eggs.
So I've got big bad boy sausages here, so I coloured my sausages and I'll just finish them in the oven.
Fried, everything fried pan.
You can see how the bacon when it comes out of the microwave. See that?
Oh my God, look at that.
We keep on cooking that so I can get more crispy. So I changed the paper towel halfway through, so you've got fresh paper towel.
So I've got my tortillas there, nice and brown around the outside. They're looking good. I'll put the bacon in next. Just going to cook that a little bit. And then I'm going to go sausage.
See, I think we're going all right.
Looking good, huh?
Are you a ketchup man? Are you a brown sauce man?
Oh, I'm going to go for the ketchup. My homemade Kovacha 19, which is the sriracha I made during lockdown. And then a little bit of dirty American mustard.
Remember the daddy's brown sauce?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Are you a ketchup man, or are you a daddy's brown sauce, or HP brown sauce? Will you leave? Will you remain? That could be the new talking point.
That's the crispy bacon done. So that was 3.5 minutes.
Look at that. That's like looks like it's been deep fried.
Right. So now I've got the grill on. So I'm just going to lightly toast my muffin.
I'm putting mine in the dirty bacon fat.
Fry my egg in the black pudding fat.
Tell you what, there's concentration here.
There's a lot of things going on in one small space. So
I'm going to bring out the trusted avocado knife again. If you missed it in episode 1, takes the stone out and slices all in one.
Wow.
That is the future. Okay, so for pure health reasons, I'm taking the fat off the bacon.
What? Really?
Hey, just joking.
Absolute animal. You're like those people who take the skin off the fish.
Yeah, I am actually. Yeah, I have my fish and chips from Scarborough with no skin on, thank you. I'm very close to being finished here, chaps.
So my sausages will now come out of the oven, nice golden brown. I finish them with a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
Oh.
And a touch of butter.
Right, so I've got my little tray with me bits on it. So I've got me bacon, I've got my sausages, I've got my tortilla. I'm just doing my over easy eggs. So over easy eggs are the secret to a breakfast sandwich egg, because you just turn them over at the last minute and seal them on both sides, and then you get like an explosive egg. If you want a drippy egg, that's the way forward to do it. Quickly make my little sauce. Mustard and Kovacha 19.
Right, so we're out. Look.
Oh, look at that, melting it as well.
So I'm ready to plate. Right, we're going.
Eggs going around me.
So we're all gonna build them one after another, yeah, and go through it.
Okay.
Right. Put no pressure.
Right, John, you're first up, yeah.
Yeah. So as you can see, I've got my muffin, and I've also got the cheese that's melted onto the muffin. Sausage first on the base. For 2 sausages on the base. I've then got my bacon stacking on top of the sausages. And then you've got the tricky part. So, as I said, I've cooked my scrambled eggs in a ring. Take the ring off without it. And there it is.
Look at that. That's not
my breakfast triple decker.
Ho ho!
So, I'm going to go with, first, the base of my bun, a little bit of sauce. Then I'm going to go sausages, cut side down. Then I'm going to go bacon, straight on top of the sausage. So we're going to go for the meat at the bottom. My middle level.
Oh my goodness.
So the middle level is going to go on now. A little press down. A little bit more sauce. Now we're getting to the dangerous part. We're going to put the tortilla on. Going to put just a couple of bits of tomato just to try and put some kind of like healthy element on this grease fest. Over easy eggs. A little bit more sauce. And then the bun.
Look at that!
Is your ultimate.
Yeah.
I'm up. So for me, you've got to get all your sauces ready. So the 3 sauces I'm using is mayonnaise, ketchup, and some sriracha. Oh, Scotch bonnet sriracha.
Oh.
So I'm going to sauce the base with some of the sriracha. The base of the bun. And then I'm going to put on a couple pieces of avocado. And then I'm going to top that with some last night's spinach. A bit of lime zest. I'm going to shave some raw mushrooms. I'm going to put 1 bit of black pudding. Cut side down sausage. I'm going to put a couple of pieces of bacon. I think that's it. So my eggs, I fry them, and then I finish it in the oven. It sets the yolk a little bit, but not too much. And then on the top of the bun, I'm a ketchup mayo kind of guy. So I'm going to do some mayo, ketchup, and last but not least, a bit of pepper on the egg.
Why not?
Top it off.
Now that is the ultimate breakfast back.
Look at that egg. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that concludes episode 6 of Bairstow's Basics, the breakfast back.
Banging, banging.
Brilliant, love it.